Good morning, students. It's math time. Today's topic line of symmetry. Do you know what is a 2D figure or 2D shape? I am sure you know because we have been learning about 2D shapes on our previous lessons. So you can write your answer on your math notebook. Now, what is line of symmetry? The line of symmetry can be defined as the axis or the imaginary line that passes through the center of the shape or object and divides it into identical halves, like the following pictures. Look at the leaf, the apple, and the butterfly. The three pictures have a line, a broken line you can see in the middle. So that line is known as the line of symmetry because it passes right at the center of the shape and it divides the shape into two identical halves, as you can see. Figures are shapes that have exact resemblance to each other part when divided into two or more equal parts are called symmetrical. So look at these shapes. All of them have a line of symmetry. So all of them are symmetrical. When the shapes or objects do not resemble each other when divided into two parts, they are called asymmetric. For example, look at these pictures. If we are going to divide the pictures in half, we are not going to get two identical halves. So when we don't get two identical halves, they are known as asymmetric. So please remember that symmetrical is when you divide a shape or an object in half and it resembles two identical halves. But asymmetric is when you divide an object or shape in half and it does not resemble two identical halves. Another thing we need to know is that line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. The line of symmetry produces reflections that coincide. So here's how shapes and objects can have multiple lines of symmetry. So look clearly at the pictures. They have more than one line of symmetry. Now, for our activity, you will draw a line of symmetry on the figures below. And you are going to draw an X across the figure if a line of symmetry cannot be found, or in other words, if it is asymmetric. And this is math for today.